Is from Payal Mittal. The question is, if the cell values are less than 5, what we'll do in chi-square test? So you have to merge with the other cells, combine it with the other cells, remaining rows or column. It should be in a meaningful way. One example I demonstrated in age group like. So instead of 20 to 39, you can take 20 to 60. When you club it, there should be meaningful categories. That is the one way. Otherwise, you can go for small samples. You can go for Fisher exact test. So you have two options. One is combine the cells, either row or column cells. You have to combine them so that it becomes more than 5. That is one option. But it should be in a meaningful way, the categories. And if you cannot do that, go for a Fisher exact test for small cell. Next is, can we use Spearman's correlation coefficient for association testing? Yeah, okay, you can use Spearman correlation, especially if data does not follow normality assumption and linearity. If the data are not linearly associated or the data is not normally distributed, you can go for Spearman, especially if you are dealing with the ordinal data. So it is mainly for this ordinal data. You can use the Spearman, and Spearman correlation is a non-parametric form of this. So you can use very much Spearman correlation. Okay, Pushpita, thank you, Pushpita, for your comments. See, can you demonstrate how you can this one Google form to into SPSS? The latest version only it is possible. The version which I am having, it is not, this option is not there because this Google form is developed last year only. But in the absence of this, you convert your data Google form into Excel sheet. So once you get into the Excel sheet, from data can be transferred from Excel to Google, this SPSS. That is very easy. In the first day, I demonstrated it. How the Excel sheet can be demonstrated to SPSS system. So you can export this Google sheet mainly into in terms of Excel sheet. And once it is in the form of Excel sheet, Excel can be very easily transformed into SPSS system. Okay, for your this one, I will demonstrate how we can this one. So come to the SPSS, open the file, open this one, open data. Okay, go to the folder where you have shared your Excel file. I have stored my data file in Gomicon data sets. Come to this, and files types is there. No files of type you change from .save to Excel. Once you change it, you will be able to see your Excel sheet. So which of the Excel file we want to change it, you have to select this one. So I want to export from this file to SPSS, stat.xls, open. If there are many sheets are there, it will ask for the which sheet. So select the which sheet you want to see, click OK. So the data will come. So this is how, this is the what I have opened. You are seeing it. It is of a Excel sheet, Excel into SPS. So this is the easiest way I can say. Can you say more on the Fisher? Fisher exact test, it is also in the form of 2 by 2 days. It doesn't give any kind of value of this one. Exactly, it gives the p value. Fisher exact test give p value. If p is less than 0.05, you rejecting the H naught. Means there is no association. The probabilities of frequencies are different. Like its interpretation is very easy. Fisher exact test P gives P values. Look at the P value. If P value is less than 0.05, H naught is rejected. When you run using the SPSS, when you use the crosstab, this option is there, but only make sure that number of rows in one categories are equal to number of same in this one. Number of rows in should be equal to number of columns in this categories, that you have to see. Here the value which you have taken minus 2.13, assume duty significant minus 3. This standardized value or what we have to calculate. We don't have to calculate anything. This is the Z value and asymptotic significance is the P value. You have got the Z value, you have got the P value. Based on the P value, you have to draw conclusion. If P value is less than 0.05, your H naught is rejected. So all calculations are here. Like U man Whitney, U value or this one Spearman's, all these values are there. Look at the Z value and corresponding to the Z value, asymptotic significance is the P value. So based on the P value, you have to make the decision to reject or not to reject the number. How do we get the software? So you can get the software approaching the SPSS company, IBM SPSS this one. You can get a trial version for 14 days, but it is individual to acquire it. It is very costly. Institutions can offer it, so you can ask your institution. So as an individual, you can try by approaching, by registering this one. They will give the username and password that will exist for 14 days. Is there any test other than the chi-square to find out the association? Other tests are there. You can use the odds ratio, relative risk. They are there. Many tests are there, but these are the most popular. Like Cramer's test, pi, like there many tests are there, which are all based on chi-square only. From chi-square only they are derived. So they are there like odds ratio, at least odds ratio and relative risk. So mainly between two categorical variable. If they are quantitative variable, go for correlation coefficient. So within the chi-square, instead of chi-square, you have option of odds ratio, relative risk, Fisher exact test for small sample. Okay, thank you.